The Supreme Court today modified its 5th September order on Kaveri water sharing issue. The apex court has asked Karnataka to release 12,000 cusecs of water to Tamil Nadu per day till 20th of September. In an interim order on the 5th of September, the apex court had asked Karnataka to release 15,000 cusecs of Kaveri water daily for the next 10 days to Tamil Nadu. The court had also directed Tamil Nadu to approach the supervisory committee within 3 days for the release of the Kaveri water as per the final order of the tribunal. The Supreme Court was hearing an application filed by Karnataka seeking a direction to reduce the quantum of water to be released from Kaveri River to Tamil Nadu from 15,000 cusecs to 10,000 cusecs. Supreme Court has expressed anguish over tone and tenor of Karnataka's plea and said that law and order problem cannot be ground for non-compliance of its order. A meeting of Kaveri Supervisory Committee is underway in Delhi, and the meeting was called to decide on the quantum of the river's water to be released to Tamil Nadu and other states. A senior official said that the committee will strictly adhere to the final order of Kaveri Water Disputes Tribunal ahead of the meet convened as directed by the Supreme Court. Our correspondent Aisha is joining us to get us more. Aisha, the Supreme Court has modified the 5th of September order on the Kaveri water sharing issue, wherein Karnataka will have to release 12,000 cusecs of water to Tamil Nadu. Tell us about the reactions which are coming in.
Well, Preeti, Karnataka is seething with anger over this modification of the order because earlier the Supreme Court had said 15,000 cusecs for 10 days. Now Supreme Court is saying 12,000 cusecs till September 20th. So the Karnataka government has already released water for from past 5 days, and now the government had today hoped that they will get some relief. But the farmers feel that the government has not represented the facts properly before the Supreme Court. This has resulted in an order of 12,000 cusecs because the farmers in Karnataka feel that this is injustice to the state when the rains have failed and the reservoir level is slowly depleting, and the farmers in Mandya and Mysore are struggling to save their own crop. And also, if more water is released from Karnataka, there will be shortage of drinking water to Bangalore as well. So right now, the farmers in Karnataka are very angry. There is wide protest. The buses have been torched in some areas, and the police is contemplating on imposing Section 144 by evening, depending on the law and order situation, because there is a widespread panic across the city. Although the police says the law and order situation is well under control, but right now many pockets of Bangalore are hit with violence where buses have been torched. So situation seems to be very tense and grim, but police says the law and order is well in control. On the other hand, a similar situation prevails in Tamil Nadu as well. We have reports that some Kannada-speaking people were attacked in Tamil Nadu. So, as usual, as every time this crisis arises, Kaveri is basically an emotional issue and results into a linguistic conflict between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Every time there is a water sharing that is directed by Supreme Court. So the situation though remains tense, but still it is well in control, and the government is making arrangements, and security is more security forces are being deployed across southern Karnataka, especially in Bangalore, Mysore and Mandya regions.
Yes, very briefly now, I would want you to explain the issue more to us in the sense that on one hand we have the Supreme Court's observation wherein 12,000 cusecs of water has to be given to Tamil Nadu. On the other hand, we have the groups protesting against this observation in Karnataka as well as in Tamil Nadu. I would want you to tell us, does the Karnataka government have any scope of further applying against the Supreme Court's verdict, or is it bound for compliance? What would be the future course of action?
Preeti, Karnataka government is bound to obey the Supreme Court order, as the Chief Minister had declared earlier that they will not, disobey the Supreme Court order, and if that happens, it will result in contempt of court, which will further result in more legal hurdles, legal problems for the Karnataka government. So therefore, the government is bound to release water as per the directives of the Supreme Court. But the government, on the other hand, is saying that it will try and come out with a solution. Tomorrow, a special cabinet meeting is called. So there is a likelihood of another all-party meeting, and then once again the Karnataka government might approach the Supreme Court asking them to give them some relief so that the farmers and the law and order situation in Karnataka can be controlled.
Right, Aisha. Thank you so much for joining us with those inputs. Our correspondent Aisha Khanam telling us about more about the Supreme Court's observation, wherein it has directed Karnataka to release 12,000 cusecs of water per day for the next 10 days to Tamil Nadu. In Jammu and Kashmir,